This is a 1 minute maximal squat test. So this is just used to measure overall lower body muscle endurance. All you're doing, you get a timer on your phone or a watch, and you get a chair. Make sure it's the chair you're gonna have access to later, because you're gonna wanna use the same chair when you retest yourself later. And I'm using the chair because that way I know every time I do a squat, my butt, here's the chair, gets to the same level, and then I come back up. So no cheating. Make sure your butt touches the chair every single time. Again, just use something that you're gonna have access to again in 3 months. So if it's a bench, make sure it's not a bench you're never gonna see again, okay? Or just measure it so you can find something that same height later. Then you need a timer set for 1 minute, and all you're gonna do is do as many squats as you can in 1 minute, and make sure every one squat that you do, your butt touches the ground, or touches the chair, I should say. Just keep track of how many you do, and here I go. Okay. So I got 61 today. And you'll notice that when you do this test yourself, that your muscles start to burn at the end, and then you have a slower pace. So the point is that you're not doing something that's terribly hard, but the more squats that you do, the more tired you get and the slower you go. And as you get better muscle endurance, then in 3 months after training, then you can do more in a minute because you don't get fatigued as easily. So write your score down and check again in 3 months.